First, you start with a chain 2. Then you work all your stitches into the very first chain, and here I'm going to put in 6. So this is 2, and then after 3, I'm going to grab the yarn that's coming off of my slip knot, and I'm just going to start crocheting over my slip knot until I make it all the way around the circle. Then when I've made it to the end of my circle, I'm just going to add my stitches on top of the first stitch again to create the spiral. Then I'm going to take my yarn needle and I'll take the tail end that is coming off the slip knot and is dangling out of my stitches. I'm going to go into the center and then out the opposite side. I'm going to pull it tight, but not too tight because I don't want to cinch it, but I'm going to twist it so that my yarn is coming out on the bottom. Then I'm going to go into the center and out the stitch on the opposite and to the left. Sometimes I don't know my right from my left. Then I'm going to do it again, rotate my yarn tail so that it's at the bottom, go into the center and to the left of the opposite stitch. And I'm doing that to cover up the hole in the bottom. So here you can see what it looks like. Oh no, never mind, I'm going to do it one more time. But in the next little cut, you'll see the comparison of the magic ring, the chain 2 method with closing of the circle like this, and no closing of the circle. You can't tell which is which, but if you don't like the magic ring, you don't have to. But